Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on the application of REDnote. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about REDnote app. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about REDnote. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.